guys, it's your boy Dennis. Today we will be reviewing something very special. Today we will be reviewing the RAZER NARI Ultimate Gaming Headset PewDiePie Edition. Can't wait for this, guys. Let's get into this. Alright guys, this is it, the RAZER NARI Ultimate Gaming Headset. The box looks amazing and I just can't wait to open it, guys. So all we get here is just normal PewDiePie patterns. The website says things about it, but yeah, let's get into opening this thing then. Alright guys, so right now we're opening it and here it is, the headset itself. Okay, in all its glory. It's in this normal PewDiePie red colour. I remember having the Kraken before ages ago. It was so good, and this is a new step up so to the PewDiePie collection. So when we open it, we got these little manuals, the headset itself, and I'm about to reach for some cables in a sec, but let me look through these. And you get some stickers through there too, and a little PewDiePie and thank you card with the owner's signature. Yes, this is a very nice unboxing experience. So let's quickly put the box away. What I love about this is that the box, they kept it original with normal cardboard. They didn't put any sloppy matte things on the box itself to make it less recyclable. But anyways, yes, so the headset itself, it's really big and kind of heavy, but you're gonna get used to it. It's a metal headband and it's self-adjusting with two oval, should I say open back ear cups? Yes, I may say that. Yes, the headset is really nice. The red colour just pops out to me straight with the headband too. Has some mesh padding over the top and RGB lighting with the PewDiePie logo on it, not RAZER, PewDiePie, because this is a special edition. Yeah, I'm so happy to have this on it. So yeah, the cushion it has cooling gel right inside it, like the same you get in an armrest, and even has vibration feedback, which RAZER tend to call hypersense, like the kind of bass boost you get on a large speaker, I'd say. Now, about the build quality, the headset, it's a normal plastic, no matte finish, nothing that's soft like ABS plastic. It's just your normal plastic you get on other things. So that would have to keep saving money on the technology that it uses instead of the actual build quality, which I think is a really smart move. Anyways, about the ear cups, the ear pads, they have this kind of textile little separate cushioning on the top, and on the side it's this kind of leather material just to make the headset feel way more premium. And as I say again, it has some cooling gel infused into it, which you can feel if you press hard enough. Let's put it on. Alright guys, so putting the headset on is no big deal, just like this. Get the little mic out once you can feel it. There we go. My version of plug and play. Now, looking at what the headset has, it has a mic which is very bendy and flexible. You can pull it out, that's what she said, and a little place where you can store this wireless USB 2.4 gigahertz wireless adapter, shall I say, which is really useful, and it has some volume rockers for game chat and party chat, and also volume rocker on the right for the main volume of the headset. It features a power button, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a charging cable which is micro USB, not USB type C, and also a mic mute button and a power button. I think I said that twice, but oh well. Now, coming up, we're gonna put some mic tests for the headset itself. Let's hear. Guys, so right now I'm talking to the RAZER NARI Ultimate Gaming Headset. The mic is around, should I say, 10 centimeters away from my mouth, and it's wired, and I'm not using any editing whatsoever. I'm not even better to use the wireless one, because that one is the wireless version of the mic sounds really bad, so if I were you, I'd stay away from that. Guys, I'm currently talking to the normal phone mic on the Samsung S5 Leo. There's a lot of background noise, as you can hear from my mate playing on the Xbox for editing, but anyways, yeah, you can hear a lot going on and it's not really that nice. Best off get a mic if I were you. Alright guys, so now I'm talking into my usual mic, the Boya M1 lavalier mic. This mic is very nice, it's very clear and very sensitive, good for ASMR videos or just any videos plainly, but it's aiming, as you can see it's aiming towards my mouth because I want it to be more sensitive. You can aim it downwards so it can pick up as much, but yes, this is my normal mic. Alright, now moving on with the review, guys, I'm going to say that about the lights, the PewDiePie logo lights, they are fairly bright and it does have RGB, but it has trouble fading from one colour to another. Of course, it looks very nice in the dark and it's a nice little effect and accent that tends to spice up any setup that you want to go to it. Here's my reaction to listening to a very bassy song when the haptic feedback just kicked in. I had hypersense on and the vibration on at full, and I was very surprised on how much you would need it. Like, why didn't we think of this before with gamers actually having it? But anyways, using RAZER Synapse, you can customize the colors, lights, and effects that you can use on the headset itself, and it's just a really handy piece of kit. Now, my friend will do the review for the sound test on his channel. I'll have his channel linked in the description and you can check out his recent videos. But anyways, the price is around £200, which is very expensive for this kind of technology, and the technology has been recognized for many years. So I would criticize how much the price would cost, because I just don't find it like that appealing. To the website featuring big brain immersion. I'll read it out loud. So with the new PewDiePie RAZER Nari Ultimate, you can hear audio and feel it too. Thanks to its RAZER Hypersense haptic technology, experience dynamic vibrations caused by sounds such as gun recoil, zombies, and of course Pew's sexy voice. This is a neat little touch to the website, adds a little bit of comedy. Now, this is what I like to hear from RAZER. Really smart of them to put this in, just makes people laugh, and yeah, I just love it. Now, about the cables are braided, and they are braided black, and the power cables on the ends, they have insulating tips. This is a really smart move by RAZER, and just be nice and smart of them to do that. That is kudos to RAZER for that. Now, the gaming experience was amazing. It was really immersive. The hypersense turned on at max, the vibration and all the haptic feedback on at max, and it was an absolutely amazing experience. Yeah, you just can't beat it. Like, this is the only headset that has hypersense, and yeah, just feel really good having it on. Makes you more alert and know where your enemy is. Alright guys, that is a quick review from my channel. I'll have a link in the description down below for George's channel where he will soon be uploading his review of the headset itself. Hopefully he does, hopefully. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. I absolutely enjoyed making this video, really fun, and yeah guys, see you in a bit.